In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for Remove option to show. When it does, tap on Remove Widget and confirm your choice in this pop-up by hitting Remove. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it though, you need to hold your screen like that and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show up. When they do, hit Widgets between Icons and Layout. Then scroll to find Google app, and when you find it, here, hold search bar widget. Now place it wherever you want to. When you finished, let go and hit done at the top right corner. If you want to move it again, just hold it and drag it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!